Repotting a hedgehog cactus. This straw flower is fake and needs to be removed. Carefully remove it without damaging the plant. Protect your fingers from the sharp spines. A tiny part of the cactus also came off with the glue from the straw flower. I'll show you what to do when this happens later on in the video. Gently slide the whole plant out of the pot by giving the sides of the pot a light squeeze. The plant will come out easier when it's dry. Potting a torch cactus. Protect your finger from the sharp spines. You can use gloves along with foam, cardboard, or tongs when holding the cactus to protect your skin from the sharp spines. Carefully remove the fake flower. This time the flower came off without damaging the plant. Gently slide the whole plant out of the pot by giving the sides of the pot a light squeeze. The plant will come out easier when it's dry. Prepare a well-draining potting mix. I use cactus mix combined with perlite for added drainage. Remove some of the old soil and loosen up the root ball and the bottom. Pack the soil around the plants to secure them. Add more potting mix as needed. Fill in any gaps with potting mix. Let the small wound from the fake flower dry and heal before getting this area wet. Keep it in a dry area and allow the wound to heal and scab to prevent infection. Depending on the size of the wound, this could take a few days to about a week. If you want, you can also dust some sulfur powder on the wound to prevent infection, but this is optional. After 2 to 3 days, the wound would have scabbed and calloused and look like this. Once the wound has healed and dried, you can water the newly potted plants thoroughly and do not water again until the soil is dry. I've created a playlist related to this video. The playlist link is in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. It will really help us out with YouTube algorithm. To see similar videos like this, please subscribe to this channel. If you'd like to be alerted as soon as I upload a new video, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and happy gardening!